Ever wonder what the final days of the Earth might look like? This question has piqued the curiosity of many, leading to numerous theories from our brightest minds in the scientific community. At the heart of these theories lies our understanding of the universe, a vast expanse filled with infinite possibilities. The end of the Earth, although a grim topic, is an inevitable reality we must consider. Several key factors could contribute to our planet's demise. The life cycle of our sun, for instance, plays a significant role. As it ages, it will expand, potentially engulfing the Earth in its fiery embrace. Then, there are cosmic disasters, unpredictable and catastrophic events that could wipe out our planet in an instant. And of course, we cannot overlook the impact of our own actions. Human activity has drastically altered the Earth's environment, causing a myriad of problems that could hasten its end. However, the future isn't as bleak as you might think. Did you know our own sun plays a major role in the fate of our planet? Our sun, that bright star we see in the sky every day, is constantly changing and evolving. It's currently in a phase known as the main sequence, a stage that lasts for about 10 billion years, where it's burning hydrogen into helium. This stage accounts for most of a star's lifetime, and it's the stage we're currently in. But what happens next? Well, as the sun depletes its hydrogen supply, it will enter the next stage of its life cycle, the red giant phase. This is where things get a bit dicey for our planet. As the sun expands, it will grow so large that it could potentially engulf the Earth. Yes, you heard that right. The sun, our source of light and life, could one day swallow our planet whole. But don't start panicking just yet. This phase is still about 5 billion years away, so we've got some time to prepare. And even if the Earth does survive this fiery expansion, it's not out of the woods yet. The sun will eventually exhaust its helium supply and start to collapse under its own gravity. This will cause it to shrink down to a fraction of its current size and become a white dwarf. Now, a white dwarf is much cooler than our current sun. It's so cool, in fact, that the Earth could potentially freeze over, becoming a lifeless ball of ice. It's a bit of a catch-22, isn't it? Either we get swallowed by a red giant or we freeze in the cold light of a white dwarf. So as you can see, the sun's life cycle has a significant impact on the future of our planet. It's a constant reminder of the transient nature of our existence and the ever-changing universe we inhabit. So it seems our sun might be our downfall, or is there something else? But what if it's not the sun we should be worried about, but the cosmos? Let's take a step back from our solar system and venture into the vast expanse of the universe. Here, lurking in the dark corners, are potential cosmic disasters that could spell the end for life on Earth. First, let's talk about asteroid impacts. These are not just the stuff of science fiction movies. In fact, a large asteroid or comet colliding with Earth is a very real threat. Remember the dinosaurs? Their extinction about 65 million years ago is believed to have been caused by a colossal asteroid impact. Such an event today could potentially wipe out all life on our planet. Next up, we have gamma-ray bursts. These are the brightest and most energetic events in the universe, often associated with supernovae, the explosions that mark the death of massive stars. A gamma-ray burst aimed directly at Earth could strip away our planet's ozone layer, exposing all life forms to lethal levels of solar ultraviolet radiation. And then there are rogue planets and black holes. Rogue planets, or planets that have been ejected from their own solar systems, could, in a catastrophic game of cosmic pinball, smash into Earth, causing unimaginable destruction. Black holes, on the other hand, are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. A close encounter with a black hole could rip our planet apart, or, at the very least, dramatically alter our orbit. While these scenarios might seem straight out of a science fiction novel, they are, in fact, entirely possible. However, the likelihood of such events occurring is extremely low. The universe is a vast place, and these cosmic disasters are incredibly rare. The cosmos is a dangerous place, but could we be our own worst enemy? Let's explore this thought in our next segment. Indeed, what if the end of the Earth comes not from the cosmos, but from ourselves? It's a sobering thought, isn't it? That our own actions could potentially lead to the end of our planet. We've already seen the effects of climate change. Rising global temperatures, melting ice caps, and devastating weather events are all signs of a planet in distress. And it's not just the weather. The exploitation of natural resources, from fossil fuels to forests, has left scars on the Earth that may never fully heal. Then there's the specter of nuclear warfare. The sheer destructive power of these weapons could not only wipe out humanity, but also render large swaths of the planet uninhabitable for thousands of years. All this paints a grim picture, but it also highlights a crucial fact. we hold an immense responsibility. Our actions, for better or worse, shape the future of this planet. We may hold more power over our planet's fate than any star or cosmic disaster. So, what have we learned about the end of the Earth? We've delved into the sun's life cycle, understanding how its eventual transition into a red giant could potentially engulf our planet. We've also explored various cosmic disasters, from rogue black holes to deadly gamma-ray bursts, each posing its own unique threat to the Earth. And of course, we've examined the impact humans can have on our own demise. From climate change to nuclear wars, our actions have the potential to drastically alter the planet's fate. But it's important to remember, all of these scenarios are based on our current scientific understanding and theories. They are possibilities, not certainties. The universe is a vast, unpredictable place, and our knowledge of it is always evolving. While the end of the Earth may seem daunting, remember, it's not set in stone. The future is a mystery, and that's what makes it exciting.